Alright, this is part 2 of a Pokemon Misfortune Dates to Infinity walkthrough. We left off in Ragged Mountain. We had been playing for about 15 minutes. And we're still in the middle of adventure, so we're off. We just went over there. Now we're going here. I'll get in a sec. Use water gun. As you can see, it's just basically walking through the dungeon. There's another way out. And we don't have much to say about this game other than it's a really, really neat game. Played about quarter through the storyline before I started a new game to do this walkthrough. It's a neat game. I mean, it gets boring. It's boring at first, but then it picks up after a while. Freaking rooms are sheep weird. It's gonna go. And if we made it to the other side. Boy, is actually happy. Alright, we finally made it to the other side. Almost there now. Let's give it all. There's really nothing all to give. It's over. Dungeon's over. The end. Then, we save. Ha! We did it. I'm finally here. I finally made it. I couldn't have done it faster, Ray. Ray, I wouldn't know you. I wouldn't know anyone. Ugh. I'm doing a walkthrough. I have a camera. My camera. It's a camera on my phone. You close it. I can't get up with. I'm already in. Let me just close the door so I can interrupt in the walkthrough. Alright, sorry about that. Because now I've gotta hurry. I'm pretty sure the letter said it was this way. I just followed him like the stalker I am. She wants to always stalkers. Pretty much desolate land. But thank goodness you're still here. Phew. I'm Quagsire. I'm the one who, man, just laying around here. Is it you then, You're, Axew? Yep, that's me. I thought so. Thanks for coming so far, It seems that waiting here was, worth it after all. I've just been standing here by myself, But it was so boring that I was, think of heading home soon. But now that you're here, Are you really sure about this? It's really, desolate, and there's nothing here. I love the way he talks. And worst of all, the mystery dungeons have really taken over this area. You can't count anything going as expected in this kind of place. I know. That's exactly what I'm hoping for, in fact. I bought the Pokio 3, whatever, forgot. You sure you won't regret this? Then here you go, here. Deed. You bought the land from Craigsire. The land now belongs to you, You can do whatever you'd like with it. Not you with the creeper voice. You can do whatever you'd like with it. Not good creeper voices. Yeah, alright. From this day forth, this is gonna be my paradise. This is why I figure I worked it by myself. You remember how I said I want to learn all kinds of things and see all kinds of things? To be an adventurer, right? This right here is the starting point for making all that come true. My dream is to make a paradise for us all. A Pokemon paradise. A Pokemon paradise? Yeah, I'm gonna make this kind of paradise you can only dream about. The mistakes are spreading around here. You never know what might happen on land like this. There's a lot of people who hate that kind of uncertainty, but to me, it just means the excited adventure could sprout up at any time. I'm going to have all kinds of adventures and find lots of other Pokemon like me. And then when we work hard together, we'll be able to live the kind of life that will really make you feel alive. A real paradise. That's my dream. I've been saving up all my Poké just for that. And then I find the perfect land. Well, really, it's more like everywhere else is just too expensive. So I didn't have much of a choice. But this is going to be the start of all my dreams. Wow, so actually this is kind of big dreams, huh? It sure is nice to have a dream. Just hearing him talk about it is enough to make me excited, too. So, Ray, what are you going to do now? Do you have somewhere to go? Listen, if you don't have anywhere to go, why not consider helping me out? How about you help me make my paradise, Ray? What? There's a way I can do it all by myself. So I've been planning just more Pokemon to train me over time anyways. What do you think, Ray? Will you help me out? What should I do? I'm still kind of worried about that cry for help I heard, but it's not like I have any more clues about what I meant now. I don't have anywhere else to go. So then, maybe I really should stay at Axia for the time being. If I'm lucky, maybe along the way, I'll figure out what it is I should do. Alright. Really? You're really gonna help me out? Yes! Thanks, Ray. We're gonna be great friends. We'll be a great team. So Ray, now that we're officially friends and all, if you want to give me a nickname, that'll be okay. What do you think? You got something? And just ask you. And I'm gonna enter this as my friend. Oops. E. Where's that V? A. N. Is your partner's name Evan? Yes. Evan? Alright then, Evan it is. Call me Evan from now on. That's it. I'm gonna have everyone else call me that from now on too. I'm definitely gonna make my dreams come true. Just you watch. Sheesh, when Evan acts so happy, I can have feeling like I made the right choice. But still, I can't believe I got turned into an actual Pokemon. And I'll say when I heard that voice in my dream. And the next day I noticed my body had been transformed. That's right. I'm switching music. I wonder if that poor Pokemon I heard is alright. How could I forget her? I've got to help her somehow. But how? I have now questions without answers. I don't even know for sure if I came to this world to save that Pokemon. And besides, can we just split up even look at Evan doing the victory dance back there? Actually, Evan doing the back victory dance. I don't just split up you and it's watching it because I can't help but to laugh. He's so happy. It's making me happy. I have back to the main story. And besides, so doing the victory dance, staying here for Evan, that sure leads to a lot of adventures. I feel like something great is in store for me. Right, let's do our best together. I know there's nothing here now, but this is it. This is the place. This is gonna be our paradise! Ooh, an ominous crystal. And what ominous mean? Let's change it to mysterious. Ominous, mysterious. Do they mean the same thing? Ominous, mysterious. I don't know. Discover a man gate has been locked. I'll show you that as a side adventure later on. I always save my adventure. Save it as often as possible. That's a good tip. Except for like whenever you're in a dungeon. Just simple me too. Oh. Well, that sure comes faster under, huh? There's nothing at all here. I mean, of course there's not, but, well, I guess we'll just have to camp out for the night. Okay. It's pretty cold, huh? I guess the first thing we need to do is build a house. That's true. If it started raining now, we'd be in a real mess. I'd like to be able to keep out the rain and wind at least. Let's think about building a house tomorrow, yeah? Sleep tight. Alright. Morning. I came to see how you two were surviving, huh? Did you sleep all last night, Morning, Quagsire. No, not really. It was a little chilly. Turns out pretty tough to stay out of the wind when you've got no walls. So we think that we'd really like to build a house, but we don't really know where to start. Well, if it's a house you're after, I think there should be a carpenter or three somewhere in Post Town. Huh? Really? If you ask them, they should be able to build you a house. Post Town is just a quick walk from here. Want to check it out? Yeah. Let's go, Ray. Let's find a carpenter to build us a house. And we walk off with the creeper. This way, It sure is annoyingly refreshingly empty around here, This way, It's a restaurant between. A lot of traveling Pokemon come along this highway here, And so Post Town was the, nice rest stop for all those Pokemon. Post Town is just this way, Let's go check it out, Here we are, This is Post Town. See, just hope it just seems to tap the Pokemon. Oh, wow, I wouldn't have expected to get quieter somehow, but it's surprisingly lively here, isn't it? This town is quite famous for having the best water. So visitors can all drink their fill and wash away the fatigue, I suppose that's why everyone comes together here, There are a lot of, shops and things, too. Like strange box over there, it's a sponsor box, You can sponsor items and poke in there and then, take them out later. And there's the general store. You can buy all kinds of things there, items there, There's also the inn and restaurant, and all kinds of places. You should feel free to use any of the shops you like, What are you doing? You just hit me on purpose, didn't you? I heard you. Oh. All I did was brush you with my beak. What's the big deal? Don't go throwing a fit over every little bump. Well, it seemed a bit touchy. And none of the Pokemon even tried to step in. Everyone's a bit on the edge these days, It seems that the sex between Pokemon just, keeps going worse. From what I, hear, it seems that everyone's nerves are a bit strained. Some Pokemon even get because of the spread of the mystery dungeon, But who can really say for sure? You're right, relationships between Pokemon are definitely sour these days. More and more Pokemon are only looking out for themselves. Did you see how no one even tried to stop that fight just now? There's just no trust between Pokemon anymore. I wish everyone would be friendlier, but the world does seem a bit dark these days, But I wish it weren't. Well, never mind all that, You two needed, a carpenter, right? I'll go have a look around, Are you like you two can, check out the town. Alright, thanks, Quagsire. And, we should stop here. And you now save it. And push down and see. Save. You should save your adventure. Save return main menu because this walkthrough, this part of the walkthrough is officially over. Look forward to more in the future and we shall pick up from here. See ya.